Hello. Welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a very easy spring rolls recipe. That is spring rolls in the boxes. The ingredients are chives, eggs, bean, vermicelli, olive oil, oyster sauce, and spring roll wrapper. The first step is soak the bean vermicelli in the warm water and beat the eggs. Next, add a little bit white vinegar to the clean water. Then add in chives. Separate the chive leaves and soak the chives in the water for 10 minutes. Next, take out the bean vermicelli from the water. Set it aside. Now, the chives are well soaked. We clean them using the hand. Make them very clean. Then rinse them a few times. And put them in the plate like this, like the water go out. And then cut them into small, tiny pieces. Then put them into a big glass container. Then add a teaspoon of olive oil. Stir to mix oil with chive pieces. Now we cut the bean vermicelli. Then put the bean vermicelli on the top of chives. Next, we heat a stir-fry pan over low heat. Then add in oil. Then add in eggs. Stir the eggs liquid. When they become the solid state, make the egg small pieces. Use the turner. Now we turn off the heat and set it aside. Next, we use a little damp towel to hold the frozen spring roll wrappers for a few minutes. Now the fried eggs are cooled down. We add them into the container. Then we add in salt. Add in ground Sichuan pepper. Add in oyster sauce. And more oyster sauce. Then stir to mix everything well. Set the filling aside. Next, we separate the spring roll wrappers into individual ones. Then we start to make spring roll boxes. The first one. We put the fillings in the middle of the wrapper. Like this. Then put some egg liquid in the middle of the edge. Then fold from one side. Then put some egg liquid again on the top. Then we fold the other side. Then we turn it over and put egg liquid on this side. Then we hold two sides, bend and fold in the middle of the wrapper. Now we made one spring roll box. Another one. We make like this. It is easy, isn't it? Totally, we made 12 boxes. Next, we heat the non-stick pan over low heat. Then brush some oil. Then put one layer of the boxes onto the pan. Then cover it about 2 minutes. We check. Oh, the bottom is okay. We brush some oil onto the boxes and turn them over. Then cover it for another 2 minutes. Now, we don't need the cover, we just fry both sides a few seconds. Now, both sides are very crispy. They look wonderful. We take them out. Now, we finished the last batch. Last batch only 2. They're looking beautiful. Okay, let me cut one to see how it's inside. Did you hear? The outside is so crispy and the inside looking yummy. So, how do you like this kind of spring rolls? Do you think they are easy, quick, and healthy spring rolls boxes? Now, it's time for me to try one. Wow, they are so delicious! Like my recipe? Don't forget to click subscribe as well as the bell notification. Then you'll never miss any of my recipes. Thank you for your coming. See you next time.